Alright, so I just hooked up a Minn Kota little Endura C2 motor, and I just kind of got it just temporary mounted on here to see how it would do, and temporary wires ran. I don't know if I can get a very good view. There it is. And then you got 30 seconds on this little gizmo, and so there we go. There's one. You can see the propeller going. There's speed 2, 3, 4, and 5. Man, when you hit 5th gear, it really kicks. And I have the motor just hard mounted right now. No steering on it. Just gonna do all the steering with the paddles for right now. But I just wanted to see how it would do. And here's my speed controller and my circuit breaker right there. And like I said, everything's just kind of temporary wired in. But yeah, this little thing. So there's my truck right there, and from there to here, just messing around, it's went from 97 to 84% on the battery life. But here's reverse. There's speed 3 on the reverse. It does need to be tightened up a little bit, but what I read other reviews on these is that that they do vibrate a little bit, but in reverse. But in your oops, do this again. You got 30 seconds on this one to go, and so we're going forward, and it's yeah, there's a little bit of vibration in there, but my stuff's not mounted down real good either. This was just kind of an experiment to see how it would do and how much battery that it would take. But I gotta say, this little Minn Kota Endura C2 motor on this kayak, it doesn't do too bad at all.